noticed. I stayed down with my dream and stayed focused. And then I stuck with the team, I ain't bogus. And this forever.
Hello, my name is Chef Bantu Bandy, or Don Chef, those of you guys who know me. You probably see me on IG, Bantu Bandy. I cook a lot. And this year I wanted to do a little something different, start bringing my recipes to you guys more accessible. So recipes, home cooking, and tips. I'm doing eggs Benedict two ways, Scotch eggs, and I'm gonna do an eggs Benedict, and my homemade holiday sauce. You see how I do it and how I put my version on everything. You guys stay tuned. A good trick that I learned, we don't believe in microwaves in my house. If you look around, there's no microwave, so I'm forced to warm up stuff manually. But if you want to get juice out your lemons, roll. And what I learned to do is just put it in the oven for a good. I put it on the high broil oven, put aluminum foil over it just a little bit so you don't burn it. Keep it in there for a good 30 seconds to a minute. Take it out, and that's how you get all the juices out. Right now I'm thinly slicing my giant tomatoes. I don't want no thick tomato slice. If you ever had an egg Benny, you definitely don't want that. So I'll show you my technique of putting my lemon out the oven, putting it in the cup, straining it, and make sure you don't get no seeds or no pulp, because you do not want that inside your holiday sauce. Put a little salt, a little vinegar, white wine vinegar to be exact. For the perfect egg Benedict, you want to get a good tornado going, but you don't want to drop your egg once the twirl starts. You want to wait till the end. You want to wait when the calm down process, like so. My favorite thing is looking at it because it creates like this nice rose petal when you know you got it right. It's my favorite. So as you can see, you're going to let this guy cook for simmer for 3 to 5 minutes, because you don't want to let the yolk get overdone, because when you slice it down the middle and the yolk's not runny, that's not an egg Benedict. Then you want to go ahead and place that guy in some ice cold water, because you want to stop the cooking process. You don't want to let the egg overcook because you just pulled it out of the boiling water, so you just place it in some ice cold water. So as you can see, I'm creating an egg wash for my Scotch egg, some breadcrumbs out of brioche bun, and make sure I coat that guy all together. This was my favorite part because I've never tried brioche buns. And as you can see, I'm placing it in the fryer. Clean oil. Left side Scotch egg, right side is my eggs Benedict. So now we're going to the hollandaise sauce. Right now I'm gonna get a stick of salted butter. You're gonna use 2 sticks for this recipe, but right now I'm gonna show you this cleaning the fats from the butter. It's the white foam part. And just get you a spoon or a tablecloth, cheesecloth. Spoon that guy out of there. So you're gonna get 4 egg yolks. Put it in the bowl. You want to turn off your pot that you just used for your eggs Benedict water, because it will create that great steam. Your whip game got to be on point when you're doing this. You're going to be whipping for about 15 to 20 minutes to create that great thick consistency of holiday sauce. I dropped some cayenne pepper and some black pepper in that guy, and I just went back to whipping. You don't want to throw all your butter inside the holiday sauce all at once, because you don't want the butter to separate the fats inside your holiday sauce. So you want to throw the butter in as you're whipping. Again, this is going to be the crucial part of the step, is just whipping this guy until it's nice and thick. Then I take the original Nook and Cranny's English muffins, put them in the oven for a high broil, so I can get a light to dark toast on those guys, with also my Jones Farm Canadian bacon. I like those guys to be not too stiff that they dry out, but just a little moist. Again, that's a nice 3 to 5 minute on those. Plating, that's my favorite time. That's my time where I know it's time to eat. So what I did here is go ahead and plate my Canadian bacon with my holiday sauce, my tomato, the romaine lettuce, avocado, can't forget the avocado. I'm from Cali. Then my Scotch egg, and then my egg Benedict on the left.
And what I did was put my parsley, sprinkled it in my avocado boat, and then drizzle my holiday sauce on my Scotch egg, and drizzle my holiday sauce on my eggs Benedict. And here we go.
And this is, here you go. You got one Scotch egg Benedict, and you got one egg Benedict. I did a little avocado boat because we always sailing. Like, subscribe, comment, and give me your honest opinion, because you know I'm about to dig in. I'll see you guys in my next video.
You notice, I stayed down with my dream and stayed focused.